everyone! Hello! Welcome! Today we have a special conversation. It is simple, easy, and very useful for you. When you learn this dialogue, you learn how to speak about birthdays. You learn how to say happy birthday, how to ask questions, how to answer them, and how to talk naturally like real people in real life.
Yes, this dialogue helps you speak everyday English, simple English, real English, friendly English. You can practice listening, reading, and speaking. You can practice pronunciation. You can practice small talk. It is all very easy. A1 level. Anyone can do it.
And listen, if you want more easy lessons, more small dialogues, more everyday English,
Then subscribe to Easy English Daily. The button is right there. Just click it. It helps the channel grow, and it helps you learn better.
and please like this video. Your like is small, but it is very important for us.
Also, write a comment. Tell us from which country are you watching. We always read your comments. It is fun to see English learners from many countries.
Okay, now let's start. Today is a special day in our dialogue.
Yes, today is my birthday.
Exactly. Let's begin the story.
Oh, someone is at the door. Let me open it. Oh, hi, Olivia.
Hi, Jack. Hello. How are you today?
I am good. I feel happy today.
Of course you feel happy. Today is your birthday.
Happy birthday, Jack. Thank you so much, Olivia. Thank you, thank you.
I have something for you. Look, I have a gift.
A gift? For me?
Yes, it is for you. Here, take it.
Wow, this is a nice bag. Thank you. Can I open it now?
Yes, please. Open it.
Okay, let me see. Oh, it is a notebook. A small brown notebook.
Yes, I know you like writing. You always have ideas. You can write your ideas here.
I like it. It is simple, but it is perfect. Thank you again.
You're welcome. I like simple gifts. Simple gifts are nice. Simple gifts feel warm. So, Jack, tell me, when is your birthday?
My birthday is today. My birthday is on April 12.
April 12. Good date. Do you like having your birthday in April?
Yes, I do. April is warm, not too hot, not too cold. It feels good.
Yes, the weather today is very nice. Sunny, bright, and warm.
A good day for a birthday.
Jack, how do you feel on your birthday?
I feel happy. I feel relaxed. I feel calm. I like small birthdays. I like simple days.
Do you feel old?
Maybe a little, but only a little.
You look young. Don't worry.
Thank you. That is good to hear.
Jack, what about your birthdays when you were a child? Did you have birthday parties?
Yes. Sometimes. My family was simple, but we always tried to celebrate. My mother made cake. My father bought balloons. We invited cousins. We ate food. We laughed.
What cake did your mother make?
Chocolate cake. Always chocolate cake. It was soft, sweet, and warm.
Chocolate cake is the best.
I agree. Even today, chocolate cake is my favorite.
What gifts did you receive when you were a child?
Small gifts. Toys, books, sometimes clothes. I liked books the most.
Do you remember your favorite gift?
Yes. When I was 10 years old, My father gave me a big book about space. Stars, planets, the moon, everything.
Did the book have pictures?
Yes, many pictures, bright and colorful.
I think that book was special for you.
Yes, very special. I still have it today.
Jack, what is your birthday tradition now? What do you usually do on your birthday?
Now, I like simple things. I drink tea, I read a book, I take a walk, I talk with a friend, I relax.
Peaceful day.
Yes, I like peaceful birthdays.
Today, we can drink tea together.
Great idea. I always enjoy tea with friends.
Do you have a cake today?
Not yet. Maybe later I will buy a cake.
We can buy a small cake together.
That is very nice of you.
How many candles do you want?
Oh no, I don't want many candles. Too many candles look scary.
Yes, maybe many candles are dangerous.
Yes, the cake can burn more than the candles.
Let's use one candle. One is enough.
Yes, one candle feels symbolic. I like that.
Do you like making a birthday wish?
Yes, I do. Wishes feel special.
What do you usually wish for?
Peace, good health, good days. Nothing big, just small, real things.
Those are good wishes. Jack, the weather today is beautiful. The sun is bright, the sky is blue.
Yes, a sunny birthday is a happy birthday.
Do you like rainy birthdays?
Not really. Rain feels cold on a birthday.
Same for me. I prefer sunny days. Do you listen to music on your birthday?
Yes, I like calm music. Soft music. Birthday is relaxing time, not party time.
Do you dance on your birthday?
Not much.
I dance like a robot. Not good.
I want to see your robot dance.
No, it is too funny. Do your friends call you on your birthday?
Yes, many friends call or send messages. They say, "Happy birthday."
Do you like calls or messages?
Both. Calls feel warm. Messages feel simple.
I like messages, but today I came in person.
And I thank you for that. It means a lot.
So, Jack, what do you want to do today?
I want to relax, drink tea, eat cake, talk with you, maybe watch a movie later.
What movie do you like?
Maybe a funny movie, comedy.
I like comedy movies too. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up early. On birthdays, I always wake up early.
Me too. On special days, I wake up early naturally. Jack, you look very calm today.
Yes, birthdays make me calm. Not excited, just calm.
I like calm birthdays too.
Olivia, thank you again for the notebook. I really like it.
I am happy you like it. You can write your ideas, your plans, or your dreams.
Yes, I will start today. Today is a special day, so it is a good day to start writing.
Yes. Start something new on your birthday. It feels good. Jack, your living room looks very clean today. Did you clean it for your birthday?
Yes, a little. I cleaned the table. I cleaned the sofa. I wanted the room to look nice.
It looks very nice. Clean room, clean mind.
Yes, exactly. Clean room, clean mind, clean birthday.
I like that. Do you have any birthday decorations?
No, not really. I do not have balloons or banners. I like simple things.
Simple is good, but one balloon could be fun.
Maybe, but My cat does not like balloons.
Your cat is scared of balloons?
Yes, very scared. If I bring a balloon, my cat runs away like a rocket.
Poor cat.
Yes, poor cat, brave cat, but not brave enough for balloons.
Where is your cat now?
She is sleeping in the bedroom.
Does she know it is your birthday?
Maybe. She gave me a birthday gift.
Really? What gift?
She brought me a sock.
A sock?
Yes, one sock, not two, only one.
Maybe she thinks you like socks.
Maybe she thinks I lose socks every day, and she is right.
Jack, your house feels peaceful today. It feels warm. I like it.
Thank you. I like peaceful houses. On birthdays, peaceful houses feel even better.
Do you want to change anything in your house?
Maybe the curtains. They are old. Very old. Older than me.
Oh, then they are very old.
Yes, ancient. They belong in a museum.
What color curtains do you want?
Maybe blue. Blue is calm. Blue is soft.
Yes, blue is a birthday color today.
Why birthday color?
Because the sky is blue, your mood is blue in a good way, and your gift bag has a little blue ribbon.
True. Today is a blue day. A calm day.
Exactly. Jack, you said you want tea today. What tea do you want?
Black tea. Simple black tea. Maybe with lemon.
Do you have lemon?
Yes, I have one lemon. Only one, but enough.
Good. We can make tea later.
Yes, we will make tea after we talk.
Jack, I have a question. What food do you not want on your birthday?
Oh, easy. I do not want spicy food. Spicy food makes me cry.
Cry?
Yes, one small hot pepper, and I cry like a baby.
So, no spicy birthday.
No, no spicy birthday. Sweet birthday? Yes. Salty birthday? Okay. Spicy birthday? No.
Jack, do you want me to sing happy birthday for you?
Oh no. Please no.
Why? I sing very well. In my head.
Yes, in your head, maybe you sing good. But in real life, I don't know.
Okay. I will not sing. But I can clap for your birthday.
Clapping is safe. Sing later when the neighbors are sleeping.
Did you work today?
No, I did not work. I took a break today.
Good decision. Work on birthdays feels wrong.
Yes, work can wait. Birthdays cannot wait.
Did any other friends give you gifts today?
Yes, my friend Anna sent me a small plant.
A plant! That is cute.
Yes, a green plant in a small white pot.
Do you like plants?
Yes, they look nice, but sometimes I forget to water them.
Then this plant is brave. It must survive Jack's birthday and Jack's memory.
Ha, yes, brave plant. I must write water plant in your notebook gift.
Jack, do you study English on your birthday?
Maybe just a little. I like learning every day, even on special days.
That's good. Learning a little every day is better than learning a lot one day.
Yes, slow learning feels strong.
Like Easy English Daily videos.
Exactly. Simple, slow, but helpful.
Jack, have you ever had a birthday in another country?
No, not yet. All my birthdays were here.
Would you like a birthday in another country?
Yes, maybe in Italy. I want pizza on the beach.
Pizza on the beach sounds strange.
Yes, but strangely wonderful.
Maybe you can travel next birthday.
Maybe. I hope so.
what will you do this evening?
I will watch a movie. I will eat cake. I will drink more tea.
Alone or with friends?
Maybe my sister will visit. She said she might come.
Nice. Family visits on birthdays feel warm.
Yes, very warm.
Do you want to take a birthday photo today?
Maybe, but I look sleepy.
Sleepy birthday boy.
Yes, sleepy but happy.
We can take one funny photo.
Okay, funny photo is okay.
Did you check your social media today?
Yes, many people wrote happy birthday.
Did you reply?
Not all. So many messages. I will reply slowly.
Slow reply is better than no reply.
True.
Jack, what is the best part of your birthday?
Talking with someone. Just talking. Simple, calm conversation.
Talking is good. Talking feels warm.
Yes, especially on birthdays.
Jack, can I ask, how old are you now?
Yes, you can ask. I am 32.
Oh, good age.
Yes. Old enough to know things, young enough to enjoy things.
Perfect balance.
I think so.
What do you want next year?
Next year, I want to travel. I want to read more. I want to sleep more. And I want good health.
Good dreams.
Yes. Simple dreams.
Jack, when is your birthday?
My birthday is in September.
Ah, autumn birthday.
Yes. Leaves fall. Weather is cool.
Do you like your birthday?
Yes, I do. I like warm tea and soft blankets.
Cozy birthday.
Exactly.
Jack, have you ever had a surprise birthday party?
Yes, once. My friends jumped from behind the sofa.
Were you scared?
Very scared. I almost jumped out of my socks.
Good surprise.
Yes, fun and scary.
Jack, do you feel thankful today?
Yes, very thankful. Thankful for life, for friends, for simple things.
I think simple birthdays are the best birthdays.
Yes. Slow birthdays. Warm birthdays.
Jack, maybe you should rest today. No cleaning, no work.
Yes, today is rest day.
Tomorrow you can clean your ancient curtains.
Yes, tomorrow is Curtain Museum Day.
Jack, I will stay a little more than I will go. You must enjoy your day.
Thank you. I enjoy it already.
Good. I am happy you are happy.
I am happy you came. Your visit is the best birthday gift.
And the notebook.
Yes, yes, and the notebook.
Before I go, can we drink 1 cup of tea?
Of course. Tea is always a good idea.
Let's make tea now.
Yes. Let's go to the kitchen.